Nice one, Yamadofo na akwaba everybody Benacha TV so yedi ehia ene ewie na yehia ewie dia na update ene de bro ene Sunday the 23rd day of August 2026 in the year of our Lord yehia yedi update na bro. Once again, welcome to Ghana's biggest road construction channel, the Ben Archer TV. But on all socials, no, we are airborne, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, on Sabit Makaini na Hussein Ghana, Ekonim ne Ghana ebe krabe what you say and until the bia yeda near sorry in terms of the update webrem no who the so that you can also be a party to the development of this wonderful and noble country, irrespective of wherever you are across the continent, across the 16 regions of Ghana. No inputs are very pertinent for the growth and development of our dear country Ghana. And so once again, welcome aboard to this particular sport. If I'm a Ghana's chaben, but you like it, subscribe. Yina intimi enkum ni Ghana intimi me krabe. What do you say? It's a quick break with the update in Brem and the area. But that's it. Nice one. Subway Yabedu Ofankor barrier in our drone footage. Yademamo on the Ofankor in Sawam road project. No, na the money tray a Ofankor barrier. Do any HMO ewo ache mota and yedesa live update Ibrahim. No who the echo so ewo Ghana for a development and your infrastructure home. It is ana and shenety na Osheha. What you say? Various vehicles. No, Edio Maconia Kama. The both 8 lanes nina had been duly open to traffic. Engineers no aye the wearing course asphalt binder course anomal lane market nina antisana enchenitie eti osha from Ofankor barrier ekopie mu the Pokwasi interchange no 8 lane and say from Pokwasi eko in some na 10 lane no aha no 8 lane eti 8 lane no engineers na nina mo bie nina to traffic but there are quite some significant amount of work to be done say na no me pinpoint chair mamu hu ye no say pavement works no in fact ohwe kwan we a pedestrian walkway no enkofo be akase na ekakwan no ekosie wie there be pedestrian walkway any kwan we akosi nsawam, but rather than the engineering or the plan was that yebenya pedestrian walkway on both sides of the road from Ofankor barrier ekopiem Pokwasi interchange. Don't forget say China for no Pokwasi interchange no omo ye pedestrian walkway ho akopiem Pokwasi. What do you say? The idea was that yebeya from Ofankor barrier na ye de akokopem baby China Uju company no edi Pokwasi interchange ye no esi ye no tisana enhyenete na ohwe from Ofankor barrier wo for the late Reverend John Teye Memorial Institute no asa wo de weni chemu ewo John Teye na utimi so my pavement works no dodo na ewie, but the other side ne de no munye nti na se ne hu so engineers no aba omu clear ekwan no the service lane free Kumasi bank no omu make sure say omu de anwa kakra go, as you can see also omu de anwa kakra go almost spread it to ensure say omu de ba pavement walk pedestrian walkway no from the other side, that is the Kumasi Accra bound no of the service lane on the Ofankor in Sawam road project and now Ofankor Pokwasi stretch no omu timi aye ama bibia aye kama. So it's exactly what you are seeing on your far left on the service lane no. It is an on your right and so utimi say hands ma be clear ha dia kan omu de ba beto aso, and then you come to the famous joint me criticizing Maripoma for they were not happy about it. In fact, yes say dioko nsu no na bo nyina enti say na mebo mabaso mesan criticizing be mo de ekoso ho service lane on your right. One say vehicles no at the red sign no omo the best smear service lane no our junction ni so na aba for bus stop na, and it's exactly what I cautioned Maripoma Enterprises Limited on. Say sadia moja atuwe emwa because enye fese enye guys obey asphalt no I lay mark and fasu na nani na echi no what you say what say jai makas no e de anwa kokko na ba begu asphalt na why lay mark won so no e ba sa enye guy eti hwe ha side na so to so ma clear service lane na omo ba be pedestrian walk until pedestrian walk na de cost power from both sides of the road no engineers no make sure say omo ye ho adwuma, and one day I'll get time na ma fa kwan so ne me the ground report na brem on your right the late Reverend John Teye Memorial Institute. It's Yegusua, the update in Yegusua Brown on your extreme right and left. No, what you say, engineers, Nugusua, no more clear, equino, yeah, just after the service lanes, no, pedestrian walk on the twice, and also more the Adano, may walk video. Don't forget that this stretch, Manante Soda, but on 2 occasions, and a Manante so I update a moment. And don't forget, say, Omuvia, Messan step on the grounds, no, my ground report, Amamu, and the Ecoso, our Ghana, in terms of your development. And your progress on Ghana's biggest road construction channel, the Ben Archer TV. It is an Ashanti Taha, a Jahebal on your right, you know, a Jahebal filling station, you know, it is an Ashanti, and I've seen engineers, you know, and the metallic guardrails, you know, Ajit medians, Nina, Aboso Senior Kofo, and Timinje walk. But irrespective of the measures, Maripoma, are buying Edia to still, and Kofo find their own way to jaywalk on this stretch. And this is quite untenable. It will share a danky to an median honor, it will be a green grass. No, the escape route, no. Once na yetiminya the daylight, the pedestrian underpass, no. The hona the Jaheba pedestrian underpass, no. Eda ntisana enhye ana ohwe wanimu ha utimza hanna omoye e de ababe pem this side onse omoye omguso omoye walkway no omo clear ho omoye concrete ho bibia e kama ana ohwe the exact spot away anima junction your friend Whitehouse, the Whitehouse junction, and ohwe Whitehouse na on your extreme left, no. Also a hono organizer bi wo hona me ye ground report and maybe aneme catch us in so to a twifa jonte Whitehouse community na ba be gu asphalt ne so no and also me de mani diechi say Maripoma for me kan no ombetie na omaye bibia ama bibia kama ana bibia ye jeje, and once they are done no me de ho amane boni na ebe Ghana for ne mahu de ekoso Ghana for development and infrastructure from me Ghana's Archer Ben video here of annual like subscribe we need na ya build a strong vibrant and resilient Ghana, and this is the John Teye Hills. The community is quite developing well because kind of na bare land. Oh, but within the some few years in Kofo SCC Dime Power John Teye Hills and so I'm a for year papa into sana and no etie. And to share a live telecast of Ofankor-John road project, drone footage, 4K resolution, and it be on Ghana's biggest road construction channel, the Ben Archer team. I say YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, yina yo why bit me abua ama Ghana, so it be a code in Ghana, it's me abe kabehe, so it is what it is. Into my enjoy a breathtaking view of development happening here on the Ofankor-John road project, a specific interest at the Ofankor barrier to the late Reverend John Teye to Whitehouse and then import him. But as your friend Ghana's Archer Ben, of course, this is the Ben Archer TV.
Let me sound this warning. From now, when you are a contractor, you do work, and the work fails without explanation, we shall cash the bond. We shall cash the bond to you to restore the road. If you are a consultant, before you get work at the Ministry of Roads and Highways from now, you will need to buy professional indemnity insurance, because if you supervise work that fails without any explanation, we will draw down on your insurance cover to make sure we cover the damages that you have caused. So this is a very clear message to contractors and consultants. We are no longer going to tolerate shoddy work under any circumstances. And also the third leg, staff of my agencies who supervise. And indeed, read what the finance minister said and part of our laws. If you are working with highways, feeder road, urban road, and you supervise work or authorize payment for works that were not done or were not done properly, if we find you out, you will be surcharged. I think that is just quite clear. That is the only way we can restore some sanity and decency and also improve the quality of work.